Kids Vision TV.
Hello everyone, today I am drawing another princess. Let's draw with me. First I am coloring its hair, golden color.
Subscribe us for more videos.
First I am coloring its frock, light pink color. I am coloring its sleeves, dark pink color. Let's color in crown, golden color. Purple color. Light blue color. Let's color in a princess frock. Let's color another side. Dark pink color. Let's color its lower side. This is a red rose color.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Dark purple color. Let's color in necklace and earrings, red color. Sky blue color in eyes, pink color in lips. Let's color in face, skin color. Let's color its neck, head.
Subscribe us for more videos.